Hey everyone, this is 3D Dave. Welcome back to the channel. And today something nice arrived. You probably noticed that there haven't been many videos online lately. Well, that's due to the fact that my Frozen S arrived along with the wash station, and I had to play around with it. So in the meantime, my Wham double flex build system arrived, and well, let's go and unbox this thing. That's the plate from the Frozen. Set it aside. Let's open this and see what's in here. Nothing. This one is well packaged. Wow, this is the thing. There's two plates. Oh, and they grab on pretty tight. What else do we have? Wham sandpaper, some stickers, the manual, and a thank you note. Well, Wham, thank you for this is it. There is some sanding paper if you need to clean this up. I did notice that, let's see if it's in here. No. In other kits, I thought I've seen that they get some cleaning cloth with it. Mine definitely doesn't have that. So luckily this build plate had been cleaned already. So I don't need the sanding paper. It is pretty scratched, but it is, yeah. Let's feel with the bottom of my hand, which is a little bit more sensitive. And it's like flat. There's nothing hooking around. I can't feel anything. Let's see the plate. It's an exact match. Let's install it. So no sanding paper needed. Let's peel it off and let's do it like I've seen other people do it. Well, that's not how they did it. That's how I did it. There it is. Let's peel it off a few centimeters and then attach it. And then peel it underneath. It's not that easy. But it's there. Then, like they did it, just in the middle, and then push it out to the sides. Like so. This thing fits like a glove. Nowhere. Now push it very, very. Well, that's it. Wham bam. One more thing, just to give you the heads up. In the manual it says, well, I hope it says, I haven't read it because I've opened it for the first time with you guys. But in all the other videos I saw they said, leave it cure, this thing, for 72 hours. So that's gonna be a tough one. That's 3 days. So it's Sunday. That means until at least Wednesday afternoon. Whatever. Yeah, well, I follow them. I follow the instructions because I want this. I want this to work. It is so convenient. So I'll wait until Wednesday before I use it. Yeah. Luckily, I have a few other printers. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if not, comment below. I will answer you. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.